if you know me, you know I am, if you know me, you know I am I don't want to say a hustler. I don't want to say working woman either, because I feel like I just don't like those terms. But I'm gonna give you some tips on how to make money, how you can make money outside of your job, because how the world is, you need at least 7 sources of income just to make it. In my opinion, 7 sources. So we're gonna jump straight into it. I don't even know how I'm gonna name this video, but that's gonna be the title. Yeah, that's gonna be the title. So the first thing is, I don't want to say side hustle neither. I don't like that term, but create a business. This is the first one. Create a business. And I know a lot of people say that it's oversaturated, because everybody says YouTube's oversaturated too, but we're gonna talk about YouTube in a minute as well. So start a business. Okay, so the first tip is freelance work. If you're good at writing blogs, I have some links if you guys want to check them out. It's not that much money, but it is extra cash. And like I said, you need at least 7 sources of income to make it out here, especially in California. If you live in California, it's expensive. So if you're good at doing vlogs, if you're good at making posts, I need a mount. If you're good at social media making posts, you can contact business owners. And you can you can create posts for them, schedule posts for them, because it is tedious, especially when you are a small business owner. It's not easy. Okay, so the next tip is, like I said, freelance work. Contact them business owners if they need help with their post. And it's actually, so the freelance work, I'm sorry, I'm so distracted. So I actually have a site where I go to schedule my posts, because it is not easy posting. I know it sounds like, wait, it's easy to post, but it's not, because you have to be consistent. I'm sorry, y'all. You have to be consistent when you posting. That's not even working. See? And the next tip is start a business. Me and my mom, we have a business. We do pop-ups weekly. That's how we make sales. I have a video in depth on how we make money, because it's a point where your family and friends will be tired of supporting you, and you have to start reaching out to strangers, if that makes sense. I have a video and all that on how to start a business. So start a business. Let's talk about social media. Every social media platform pays you to post. I am monetized finally I'm monetized on all my social media platforms: YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, even Facebook. But it's only enough for gas money, but it's something. And when you go viral, that's where some good cash come in. And I also have a video on how to get monetized on social media platforms. Sorry, I'm waiting for my food, being greedy. So create content creation. And see, don't let people think that your content is gonna be boring, because anything can be content. I don't know if you guys know about this girl. She just went viral, and all she do is post her getting coffee. It's all she do. And she went viral, and she makes so much money. She bought her a car and all that. So I'm like, stuff like that, you never know what people may like. And if people think your content is boring, it's other people that think it's very interesting. So take, for instance, my vlogs. I vlog about everything. Some people like it, some people don't, but it's okay. It's taking forever. Another side hustle is to resell designer items. I have a site, if you guys want to check it out, to resell things that you're not using anymore. What else? Another side hustle. Oh my god, I can't think. Oh, stocks. That's not considered a side hustle, but it's extra cash. So buying stocks. Oh my god, I can't think. I should have wrote everything down. You know what? That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a part 2. So if you enjoyed part 1 on how to make money without any investments, like and comment. Make sure you follow me. I can also do a part 2, but mind you, I should have had a script. This is like out of the whim thing. This came to my mind. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it.